students. Today we are going to discuss about telecommunication. It is one of the topic under the communication and educational technology. Telecommunication is a transmission of information over the distance. We can use this some electronical devices and network to do a communication between the two members and enable the communication without physical presence, and we can easily have a modern society. It is very essential if you are using this telecommunication. So what is the definition of telecommunication? It is the exchange of the information through the electronic devices. It includes voice, data, text, images, and video transmission. We can use this wired or wireless technology. So this history of telecommunication, first the telegraph, first long distance communication, and then comes to telephone. It's a voice communication. And next we can use both radio and television. And next we move on to internet and mobile communication. And nowadays we are using a digital and satellite communication. What are the components of telecommunication? It includes sender, message, transmission medium, receiver, and feedback. So sender, so the person sending a message to convey to the receiver. Message, so what they want to speak, what they want to need, that it will be transmitted. And transmission medium, that is we can use any video, voice message, phone through WhatsApp, mobile phone, and email ID, telegram, like that. Through that we can send the message by the sender. And receiver, the sending the message, the receiver receive the message, and the receiver give a feedback or give a written communication, or giving a reply to the sender. Type of telecommunication: wire communication, wireless communication, satellite communication, and digital communication. Then optical communication. Wire communication is, it includes uses of physical cables for data transmission like landline, phone, and internet. Wireless communication uses radio waves or electromagnetic signals for data transmission. We can use mobile phones, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Optical communication, we can use some lights to transmit the data to the fiber optic cables like fiber internet and Wi-Fi. Satellite communication, we can use the satellites in orbit to transmit data between the location on Earth. And digital communication use the digital signals to transmit the data like email, text message, and digital TV. Telecommunication devices include telephone, mobile phone, computer, radio, television, and modem and router. Application of telecommunication: education and e-learning, healthcare and telemedicine, business and banking, entertainment, emergency services. Advantage of the telecommunication: fast communication is the instant exchange of information over the long distance, and global connectivity, so we can connect the people worldwide if you're giving any one send message. Save the time and cost, so it is reduce the travel and operational expenses to the person, sender, and also receiver. And supports the education. It's enable online learning and distance education, improve the healthcare, telemedicine, and remote consultation. And disadvantage of telecommunication: dependence of technology, communication fails during a network issues, security and privacy risk, maybe data theft or cybercrime, high initial cost, it infrastructure and equipment expenses, technical problems, network failure, maybe poor signals or power cut, digital divide, divided the access in rural or low income areas. Conclusion: telecommunication plays a vital role in daily life. It connects the people worldwide and continues to evolve with the technology and essential for future development. So these are the books I referred for the telecommunication. I hope everyone understand about the telecommunication. Thank you.